Hello everyone and welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of web development. Whether you are a tech enthusiast exploring career options or just curious about how websites are built, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll talk about the best web development course in the United States. Not just that, but we'll also cover the basics of web development, its various types, its earning potential, and the different roles and responsibilities within the field. Furthermore, we'll also cover the reasons why you should consider this field for your future. But before we begin, if you enjoy watching these videos and find them interesting, then subscribe to our YouTube channel because we bring the best videos for you daily. Also hit the bell icon to never miss any updates from Simplilearn. So without any further delay, let's get started. Do you guys know that a senior web developer working in the United States earns around $134,000 per year? Not just that, but they also get an average cash compensation of $25,000 per annum. These numbers are stated by Glassdoor, and remember, this is the average salary. It can go as high as $180,000 as well, depending upon your skills, experience, and the company. The motive of this video is to help you guys choose the right course to enter or advance in web development in the future. So if you are eager to enhance your coding skills across various domains of software development, you might want to consider a Caltech coding bootcamp. With a state-of-the-art Caltech coding bootcamp, you can learn to code and become a full-stack developer within 6 months. Get fully immersed in this accelerated coding bootcamp and become a valued software engineer ready to take on any challenges on the job. The key benefits of this program include Caltech CTME Bootcamp Completion Certificate, a Caltech CTME Circle membership, online convocation by Caltech CTME Program Director, portfolio building on GitHub, up to 17 CEUs from Caltech CTME, masterclasses from Caltech CTME instructors, and much more. This bootcamp covers the basics of several different frameworks including Spring Boot, web services, servlets and JSPs, MVC, JavaScript, MongoDB, and much more. These skills will empower you to kickstart your career as a versatile full-stack developer. So take advantage of this opportunity. The course link is already mentioned in the description box below. Well, let's take a brief look at what web development is. At its core, web development involves the creation and maintenance of websites and web applications. It's all about combining various elements like design, functionality, and interactivity to create a seamless online experience for the user. So web development can be broadly categorized into 3 types. The first is front-end web development. Front-end developers focus on the visual aspects of a website. They work with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create the user interface that users interact with directly. Front-end developers can earn an average salary of $75,000 per year depending on the experience and location. Back-end development. Back-end developers deal with the server side of things. They manage databases, servers, and the logic that powers the website's functionality. They use languages like Python, Ruby, PHP, and frameworks like Node.js. Backend developers also enjoy competitive salaries, an average salary of $81,405 per annum with additional cash benefits. The last is full stack development. Full stack developers are the jacks of all trades. They handle both front-end and back-end development, allowing them to create entire web applications from start to the finish. For full stack developers, their versatility is reflected in their earnings. The average salary in the United States goes around $97,000 annually with additional cash benefits. So within the web development field, there are several specialized roles, each with its own set of responsibilities. Let's discuss them one by one. The first is UI UX designer. UI UX designers focus on creating visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces. They ensure that the website's design enhances the overall user experience. The second is front-end developers. Front-end developers bring the UI UX designers' vision to life. They use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create interactive and responsive web pages. The third is back-end developer. Backend developers can handle the server-side functionality. They build the logic and databases that power the website's feature. The last we have is full stack developer. Full stack developers, as mentioned earlier, can handle both front-end and back-end tasks, making them versatile assets to any development team. So let's discuss the reasons why you should seriously consider learning web development. So the first reason is high earning potential. Web developers are often well compensated for their skills. In 2023, the median annual salary for web developers in the United States can earn around $81,000 annually. Specializing in sought after areas like full stack development or modern JavaScript frameworks can further boost your earning potential. The second reason is freelancing opportunities. Freelancing as a web developer can provide flexible work schedule and the potential to earn even more. Many businesses and startups seek freelance web developers to create and maintain their websites and applications. With the right skills and a solid portfolio, you can set your own rates and take on various projects at the same time. The third one is remote to work trend. The remote work trend continues to thrive, and web development is a field that lends itself well to remote opportunities. Many companies are open to hiring remote web developers, which means you can work from the comfort of your home or any location you choose without compromising on earning potential. The fourth reason is growing demand for e-commerce. The e-commerce industry has grown exponentially, especially after recent global events. As more businesses shift to online platforms, the demand for skilled web developers to create and enhance e-commerce websites is soaring. This demand often translates into higher pay scales. And the last reason is improving your design abilities. Web development encompasses more than just coding. It involves website design as well. So before delving into the development phase, careful consideration must be given to layout, color schemes, typography, visual elements, and other aspects. This presents a valuable opportunity to refine your design capabilities. Moreover, by studying website design found online, you can tap into others' creative approaches and enrich your own. A well-crafted website boasts a design of exceptional quality. And there you have it, an overview of web development, its types, salary potentials, and the various roles within the field. Whether you are passionate about design, coding, or managing servers, there's a place for you in the world of web development. And if you want to become a certified web developer, then the Coding Bootcamp by Simplilearn and Caltech CTMA is clearly the right choice for you. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and do check out the link mentioned in the description box below. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section and we'll answer them for you. So until next time, keep learning and stay tuned to Simplilearn for more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.